Welcome to UPQUARK Spill Berm Lab. Here you will know more about Spill Containment Berm, Quick Snap Berm, Flexible Spill Deck, Flexible Utility Tray, and so on, in compliance with EPA, SPCC, ENPDs, and OSHA regulations. These products are widely used in industrial facilities, oil and gas stations, chemical storage areas, military, aviation, and vehicle industries. The first product is UPQUARK Quick Snap Berm. Quick Snap Berm is an innovative secondary containment solution. It is designed for rapid deployment and efficient spill management, such as industrial facilities, oil and gas stations, logistics, chemical storage areas, and so on. In compliance with EPA 40, FER to 64.175 SPCC, OSHA Hazardous Material Handling Standards, it realizes easy assembly without tools. It is an ideal choice for emergency spill response, maintenance, and operations. Made from high-quality chemical-resistant materials, it shows great chemical compatibility for oils, fuels, and acids. Ground-secure grommets anchors the berm to the ground, preventing it from being displaced by strong winds. Lightweight and foldable construction makes it compact and portable spill containment expert. It can be used to store 55-gallon drums, IBC totes, and regular containers before container loading. Please check stored or transported chemical compatibility. Make sure the ground is level and free of sharp objects before deployment. Do remember to raise the last side wall to build a fence for the loaded container. UPQUARK Quick Snap Berm also be widely used as IBC tote spill containment and liquid discharging station. Comparing with IBC spill pallet, it is foldable and more flexible when spill happens. Operators can load the IBC container easily with forklift after each usage. Please clean and store the product in cool and dry place away from direct sunlight to extend its working life. We offer various dimensions to suit different containment needs. Some customer prefers more traditional Spill Containment Berms. And UPQUARK also supplies such product. Same as UPQUARK Quick Snap Berm. No extra tool is needed. Set the berm on a clean and level surface free of sharp debris. Secure all L brackets firmly before introducing equipment or containers, and anchor the berm in outdoor or windy conditions. It can be loaded by 55-gallon drums, regular containers, and IBC tanks. The flexible utility tray is a lightweight, reusable containment solution designed for quick deployment. In a wide variety of spill control and fluid handling applications, flexible one-piece design requires no assembly and can be deployed in seconds. Self-supporting, low-profile walls can be driven over, makes it ideal for battery charging stations or temporary storage platform for leaky tools. Washable feature realizes economic spill containment solution, lightweight and foldable design. Makes it a portable spill to lawn shelve and in transportation, while in compliance with EPA regulation and DOT recommendations. UPQUARK offers multiple size options for your choice. Then we comes to flexible spill deck. It is another efficient indoor spill containment product, where mobility and compliance are essential. Crush-resistant foam side walls allow wheeled car test passover easily. Constructed from sturdy PVC fabric, offering superior resistance to chemicals, punctures, UV, abrasion, and can be cleaned easily. UPQUARK offers to drum flexible spill deck as well. Unique to weight pressure relief design, prevents sidewall rupture from sudden pressure changes. It is a portable spill to lawn shelve and in transportation. UPQUARK also offers foam Wall Spill Containment Berm, Folding Duck Pond Mini Berm, IBC Berm, ISO Tank Containment Berm, Hazmat, Pop-Up Pool. Please feel free to contact us for more information. Now I want to turn it over to you. Do you know how to choose proper spill berm for spill control? What is its application? Please leave a comment below right now.